Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tradomatics Pre-Market Index Analysis. Let's come to the point. Finally, Nifty comes down for 14,200. So for now, if it sustains above 14,350, then most likely it move for 14,800 to 15,000 again. Otherwise, below 14,200, it will sustain in between 14,000 to 14,200 reversal support zone. Let's come to Nifty chart. So finally, Nifty is in correction mode till 14,200. So for now, above 14,350, it will try again for 14,500 to 700 zone. Otherwise, below 14,200, it's most likely sustain in between 14,000 to 14,200, or as per major support, it will try to reverse from 13,800 to 14,200 reversal support zone. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed below 32,000. So for now, below 32,000, it will try to reverse from 31,500. Otherwise, below 31,500, it will reverse from 30,900 to 31,200 reversal support zone. Let's come to Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty sustained below 32,000. So for now, as per chart formation, if it reverses from 31,500 for now, then most likely it will again move for 32,000, 32,200 and 32,500. Otherwise, below 31,500, most likely it reverses from 30,900, which is its major support for 32,000. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading opportunity for index future. That's our for Nifty future, there is a crucial resistance for Nifty future, that 14,500. To achieve this resistance, there are two more resistances, that's are 14,350 and 14,429. There is a crucial support for Nifty future also, that 13,965. To achieve this support, there are two reversal supports, that's are 14,189 and 14,076. Same as for Bank Nifty future also, that there are a crucial resistance for Bank Nifty future, that 32,420. To achieve this resistance, there are two more resistances, that's are 32,089 and 32,265. There is a crucial support for Bank Nifty future also, that 31,400. To achieve this support, there are two reversal supports, that's are 31,640 and 31,500. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading stocks with trading range and midpoint. So what is the trading range and what is the midpoint? If a stock sustains above its midpoint and it increases volume with price, then the upper range is denotes for its higher resistance to achieve with support of midpoint. Same as if a stock sustains below its midpoint with increases volume, then lower range is denotes for its reversal support with resistance as midpoint. SBI card, that LTP is 960, its upper range is 1000 and lower range is 930. So if it sustains above its midpoint, that 950, with increases volume, then most likely it move for its upper range or upper resistance, that 1000. Same as if it sustains below its midpoint, that 950, with increases volume, then most likely it reverses from its lower range or lower reversal support, that 930. And when it reverse from its lower range or lower reversal support, that 930, then midpoint 950 act as its recent resistance to achieve. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. Red star mark stocks are more important for intraday trading. SBI card, that LTP is 960. Tata Communication, that LTP is 1119. PVR, that LTP is 1499. Canfin Home Finance, that LTP is 500. Philips Carbon, that LTP is 183. Adani Green, that LTP is 949. Adani Green shows most strength on last trading day. BASF, that LTP is 1603. Coromandel, that LTP is 823. Imami Limited, that LTP is 480. Godrej Agrovet, that LTP is 539. And Bell, that LTP is 133. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. If you have any kind of query about my channel, you can mail me on my mail ID, that trade.mathematics@gmail.com is my mail ID, or you can join my